Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your money between your accounts on your Revolut account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you haven't downloaded Revolut yet, then we have a very special link offered just for you. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your accounts. Now that you have opened your application, all you have to do is go to your account section right here, and then from here you can select between all the other accounts that you might want, or you can create a brand new account that is currency, pockets, or saving in funds, or you can make it join between your friends. And simply all you have to do is click on whatever account that you might want, for example, vacation trip. And then from here, you can add the money to it. And then you can select between your different accounts. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.